you're greeted by this 5-foot wide 1960s Italian Sputnik light fixture. But take a look at this. It is the combination of two villas, if you will. The dining room is kind of your entry statement piece. Its wallpaper looks like onyx, right? Which is that really, really ornate, incredible, and very expensive stone. And it is all over. But you've got the nice juxtaposition of the views out onto the water. And just off the dining room, you have the coolest home office. There's a safe room in here behind the bookshelf. I can't take you back there to show you it, otherwise it wouldn't be that safe, but now you know where it is. The amount of marble and natural stone in this house is mind-blowing. You've got these gorgeous bay windows. Look up at the ceiling here. This is hand-painted 24-karat gold leaf on the ceiling. Hurry up, there's so much more house to see. Just next to the office and across from the dining room, you have your first of 9 bathrooms. This is just a powder room. And you got this crystal chandelier, this massive floating vanity, these incredible Wagner fixtures. These are gold, by the way. This crazy wallpaper. Look at, I mean, look at the Baccarat crystal here. It's insane. The moldings, everything. Now let's go see the kitchen. Take a look. This is what you would call the back kitchen, the worker's kitchen, or the butler's pantry. You have a separate huge sink. You can do a lot of your catering, your preparation in here. You got warming drawer, microwave, separate oven, wine cooler, and these like little details. This is like the nicest butler's pantry I've seen. The main family kitchen. 2 separate islands. Incredible Carrara marble. We've got this insane black and gold Viking professional stove. This is an 8-burner. Look at the hardware to open up the refrigerator and the freezer. You see this? This is wild. With the gold, the marble, this is just super. It is surrounded by light fixtures. It's surrounded by light. And you, in the formal living space, your formal dining room with another massive fireplace, gorgeous, gorgeous stone, super cool art, and you've got TVs in every room, by the way. That is definitely how that went down. 4-story atrium that connects the bedrooms to the living space, to the lower level amenities, to the underground parking layer. Never seen anything like this. Our formal living space. Extra high ceilings. These are over 20 feet. Coffered ceilings. You've got 2 beautiful matched chandeliers. I am speechless in this house. And the stone, so you know, is all from the same quarry. It's a limestone floor that matches all the way through the house. Mirrored coffee table that's broken up into 3 that has like the gold on the interior. In the lazy room, the floor changes. So we go from the stone into this mixed and matched white oak wide plank flooring. Massive, massive, massive fireplace, another coffered ceiling, 3 matching chandeliers. It's a furniture piece. I just want to point out that the owners bought from Sylvester Stallone and craned out of his condo. On the top floor of the house, we've got 3 bedrooms. So let's go. Now, I told you every room has a theme, right? Well, this room is set up for their daughter. It's got this really, really cool wallpaper on the ceiling. You've got this cove lighting throughout that gives you really kind of nice ambient lighting. Great closet space everywhere. A nice little makeup station here. Big views out over the lake. Huge walk-in closet. And a gorgeous, gorgeous bathroom. And there's their own little Juliet balcony here. There's so much private outdoor space on the house. And the second bedroom on this floor is for the owner's son. It's dark, it's stormy, it's very masculine, it's very cool. This could also be an office.
Bum, ba-da-dum, bum, bum, bum.
Now, is this a primary bedroom or is this the primary bedroom? This is a 19th century French plaster fireplace. Now, this is called the antechamber. It's so big, you could live in this space. Huge gold shower. These fixtures, these are the jets so that you get as clean as possible after you swim in the lake. And then you got this gold rain shower that's just above you. You got 2 separate sinks, okay? The sinks look the same, Carrara marble on top, same amount of storage, but there's one difference between both of these vanities.
And then look at this closet.
Now this closet could be its own apartment in New York City. I think we've actually probably toured apartments that were exactly this size. This was way bigger than my first apartment in New York. Nearly this many clothes or shoes or bags. But you've got multiple different islands for storage, jewelry, rings, watches, all this hanging space over here for coats, jackets, suits, shirts.
In my own private elevator.
We're now on the first floor of the house. Boom. You got everything you could possibly need, cardio, weights, and a dry sauna. Just awesome to have in your own house. And when your house is almost 20,000 square feet, you gotta have your own private gym, and you have to have your own private spa and locker room. This is actually one of the most kind of neutral rooms in the entire house. Like you could find this in a really nice high-end spa at the Four Seasons in New York City. So really, really beautiful stone. You've got your shower here to rinse off after you work out, after the sauna, toilets, incredible mirrors and lighting. I mean, you've got this onyx. And then you've got your changing room. Even though it's your house, like speechless. I'm not often speechless. I talk all the time. Now, this house was built for entertaining. Own private indoor grotto. And it's gold in the pool. It's gold tile. And directly across the hallway are 2 wine rooms, a wine tasting area, and a cigar room, which you have to see. And if one wine cellar wasn't enough, you have 2. One here, one here. You meet in the middle because you have your own cigar room with another of your 6 fireplaces. The movie theater, we've got the projector, get the big screen, and you can hang out here. Then you go to what's behind us, your own private nightclub. This house has everything. How can it not have its own nightclub? Are you kidding me? It's just under 20,000 square feet. You have things from 18th century Italy in this house. You have a 4-story atrium. You've got your own private grotto, right? You've got to be able to have a place to entertain at night. Once you have your glass of wine, you smoke your cigar, you watch your movie, you dip in the pool, you come over here, and what is a nightclub without your own private bar? And at the bottom of the stairs, we've made it to the bottom, is the underground parking layer, the Bat Cave. This is an underground circular motor court. The core of the house, the elevator and the stairwell is right here, encased in foot after foot after foot of concrete. Around it is your motor court, so that you can put 8 cars comfortably, 12 cars if you want to. You can probably fit like even more than that, but 8 to 12 easily. They can fit around this entire motor court. You can park them here. Right now we got a G-Wagon, we got a Rolls Royce, and we've got extra chandeliers just in case you need them. And then you drive in from this secret underground tunnel. You have a bridge to get to the island, and then you have a tunnel to get to your underground motor court.